way. Hard work is the solution, said APJ Abdul Kalam. Oppo InnoDay 2020 unveils world's first rollable display, said reports. Oppo has unveiled 3 concept products at Oppo InnoDay 2020. Oppo X 2021 rollable concept handset, AR Glass 2021 and CyberReal AR application. The company also showcased the 3 Plus N Plus X technology development strategy and promises to unlock the future of human-tech interaction. Oppo said it aims to establish itself as a leader in taking the leap into the future with these innovations. With 44,059 new COVID-19 cases, India's total cases crossed 91 lakh. India has reported 44,059 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the number of total COVID-19 cases in the country to 91 lakh 39,865. The death toll due to the disease increased to 1 lakh 33,738 after 511 more deaths. There are 4 lakhs 43,486 active COVID-19 cases in the country, while 85 lakh 62,641 people have recovered so far. 33-year-old man watches Bigg Boss and Avatar as doctors perform brain surgery on him. Vara Prasad, a 33-year-old patient, watched Bigg Boss and Avatar on laptop in order to stay awake as doctors performed a brain surgery on him in Andhra Pradesh, Kantur. The surgery was conducted to remove recurrent glioma from his left promoter area, abutting the mortal cortex. Vara was discharged from the hospital on Saturday. The Ayurveda doctors allowed only 58 types of surgeries, clarifies Ayush Ministry, issuing clarification over allowing postgraduate Ayurveda doctors to perform surgeries under Indian Medical Central Council Amendment Regulation 2020. Ayush Ministry said notification was specific to 58 specified surgical procedures. It doesn't allow Shalya and Shalakya PGs to take up any other surgeries. The notification doesn't signify any policy shift, it added. The President-elect Biden to announce his first cabinet picks on Tuesday. US President-elect Joe Biden will announce the first picks to be part of his administration on Tuesday, incoming White House Chief of Staff Ron Klain said on Sunday. Biden has promised to build an administration that reflects the diversity of the country. Notably, the announcement comes amid President Donald Trump's refusal to concede defeat in the US election. Skoda working on project to let self-driving car follow manned one. The Skoda and Technical University of Ostrava are collaborating on new technologies for assistance systems as part of their joint Follow the Vehicle project. The project principle is 2 cars, 1 driver. It involves a lead vehicle driven by human, determining route, speed, lane and other parameters while a self-driving car follows it. WhatsApp's new disappearing messages feature goes live in India. Facebook-owned messaging platform WhatsApp has rolled out its new disappearing messages feature to users in India. Once enabled, new messages sent in the individual or group chat will disappear after 7 days. In an individual chat, either user can turn disappearing messages on or off. In a group chat, only group admins can turn disappearing messages on or off. Hackers trick GoDaddy employees into helping with cyber attacks. Employees of the world's largest domain name registrar GoDaddy were tricked into giving control of several cryptocurrency services web domains to hackers, according to Grebs on Security. Several cryptocurrency services such as NiceHash and Liquid.com reported issues. GoDaddy confirmed that a limited number of staffs had fallen victim to social engineering attacks by hackers. RBI becomes world's first central bank to hit 10 lakh followers on Twitter. The Reserve Bank of India hit 10 lakh followers mark on Twitter, making it the world's first central bank to achieve the feat. RBI Twitter account reaches 1 million followers, a new milestone. Congratulations to all my colleagues, said RBI Governor Shaktiganta Das tweeted. In comparison, the US Federal Reserve has 6.67 lakh Twitter followers and the European Central Bank has 5.91 lakh followers. US-Europe SpaceX launched Sentinel-6 satellite to track rising sea levels. US NASA and the European Space Agency have partnered with Elon Musk SpaceX to launch Copernicus Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich satellite designed to gauge rising levels for over 90% of Earth's oceans. The satellite will help improve weather forecasts and navigation courses for ships by tracking current changes. A twin satellite Sentinel-6B will launch in 2025 to complete the network. One of the smartest bird species is the magpie. They can even recognize themselves in mirrors. Russia didn't consider beer an alcoholic drink until 2011. Anything containing less than 10% alcohol was previously considered a soft drink. 75% people tries to fall back asleep in the morning just to finish their incomplete dream. Studies show that children who are better liars tend to become more successful as adults. Paytm was the first application that provided online wallet facility in India. Its founder Vijay Sharma got the idea to build Paytm during a visit to China when he saw vegetable vendors using their mobile phones to receive payments from some customers. These led to him establishing Paytm wallet in 2013.